We just opened the center in January, so a lot of people have been in for workshops or one-on-one events, but haven't got to come in and see all the facilities that we have. The recording studio is one of our really new and innovative features where we can support faculty and staff creating more high-end videos than what they'd be able to create in their office or at home. We have a green screen, we have great lighting and cameras and mics, so that just the quality of a video they could create is much better than what they, again, might have at their desk. Also, we have our professional development classroom space, and so that's, again, where we hold our workshops. We hold one-on-one trainings, and we support all kinds of different questions that come up, from technologies to pedagogical things. We actually bring in some of the latest learning space design, furniture or technology or other things that we want to pilot and experiment with, so that we can see, how do people respond to it? Do we like it? Does it work well? What kind of functions does it have? Before we go out and buy that furniture or technology for another classroom or the whole campus.
Faculty and staff can drop in with their questions, and we can use the space. We can practice with the layout of the furniture, and we can hook up our iPads, especially, to the different screens and practice the skills in this really beautiful space, so that they can feel very confident and comfortable when they're in their classroom with their students. This opens up a whole new opportunity for students to be individual learners, and we teach them how to use especially the iPad to suit their individual needs.
Fisher has had a lot of these services for a number of years, but we've never had a central space on campus where it's all consolidated into one location, all the staff in one location, all the technology in one location. So I'm just really excited to have a physical space on campus that faculty can come and get this type of support to make the teaching and learning that they do in their classrooms every day the best quality we possibly can.